Well, my dear students, we have studied about the mode of nutrition in autotrophs. So, plants can prepare their own food by photosynthesis, but in case of animals, they depend on the living or non-living organisms for their food. And we have studied in our last class about heterotrophs. So, they may be saprophytes or parasites. And another mode of nutrition is holozoic nutrition. In case of holozoic nutrition, the organisms ingest the food, then digest, then absorb and assimilate, then ingest the waste. So the four steps are ingestion, digestion, absorption and ingestion. And such a nutrition we can see in case of amoeba and higher organisms such as human beings. In case of amoeba, as it reaches to the food, it extends its pseudopodia and covers the food and makes a food vacuole, and it engulfs the food inside the cell. Then the enzymes that are present in the cytoplasm break down the food particles and release the simpler forms of nutrients, and absorption takes place. The waste generated later is pinched out from the organism or amoeba. So this is how the digestion takes place in case of amoeba. But when it comes to human beings, it is a complex process. For that, we have a digestive system. The digestive system consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. And digestion involves physical digestion and chemical digestion. Physical digestion is breaking down large size food particles into smaller ones. The chemical digestion includes the chemically breaking down these polymers or polysaccharides into simpler forms. For example, starch is converted into glucose, fat is broken down into the triglycerides, and proteins are converted into amino acids. For that, enzymes are required. So enzymes are the biocatalysts. They help in breaking down the complex food particles into simple absorbable forms. They are present in the secretion of glands associated with the digestive system. The glands are salivary gland, which is found in the mouth, then gastric glands found in the walls of stomach, then the pancreas. These are the major glands that produce enzymes. The largest gland in our body is liver. It produces bile juice, but bile juice does not have any enzyme. But still, it helps in physical digestion of fat and removing the acidity from the food. Gets acidic when it is there in the stomach. So first of all, let us focus on the physical digestion. The physical digestion of food is breaking down the food into small particles. It is done by the teeth present in our mouth. Teeth are of three types: the incisors, canines and molars. Incisors help in cutting the food particles, while the canines tear the food and the molars will help in grinding and chewing the food. and food thus digested physically will be subjected for a enzymatic action.